Today, I want to share with you what transformed my journey as a carnivore and can't imagine my kitchen without it today. It's vacuum sealing. When eating a lot of meat, you want to take advantage of the best offers, which means that sometimes you buy more meat than you can eat. So you freeze it. But freezing it the wrong way means the meat is not going to be tasty. And vacuum sealing has completely transformed the way I store food. If you're new here, my name is Séverine, and on this channel, I share my favorite keto carnivore recipes, but also some kitchen tips. So what exactly is a food vacuum sealer? Simply put, it's a kitchen appliance that's designed to remove air from specially made bags or containers and then seal them tightly shut. Now you would ask, what are the benefits of using a food vacuum sealer? To be honest, there are so many benefits that once you start using one, you'll wonder how you ever managed to do without one. Extended shelf life. First off, vacuum sealing can extend the shelf life of your food by 3 to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. By removing the air, you're cutting off the oxygen that mold, bacteria, and other nasties need to grow. This means that your food stays fresher for much longer. Preservation of flavor and nutrients. One of the things I love the most is that vacuum sealing helps preserve the flavor, texture, and nutrients of your food. Even after a month in the freezer, your meats, but also veggies and any other food, will taste just as good as the day you sealed them. Prevents freezer burn. We've all dealt with freezer burn at some point, right? It's when food gets dehydrated and the texture goes all weird because it's been exposed to air in the freezer. Vacuum sealing virtually eliminates this problem by keeping the air out so that your food doesn't dry out or lose its quality. Efficient storage. Another big plus is the space-saving aspect. Vacuum sealed bags take up much less room in your refrigerator or freezer because there is no air taking up necessary space. Everything is compact, which is perfect for those of us who like to stock up. Convenience and time saving. If you're like me and love meal prepping, vacuum sealing is a lifesaver. You can portion out your meals in advance, seal them up, and you're ready to go whenever you need them. It really cuts down on daily prep time, making your kitchen routine so much more efficient. Cost savings. And let's not forget about cost savings. Buying food in bulk and vacuum sealing it means you can take advantage of discounts without worrying about the food spoiling before you get a chance to use it. It's a win-win for your wallet and your meal planning. Now, vacuum sealing with me. So yesterday, I bought some ground meat. I typically buy 3 packs because it's buy 2, get 1 free, and I like great offers. I get it from my local butcher and it's nice meat, freshly ground. I always make sure to process my meat as soon as possible so that even if the best before date is 7 days away, I use it within 24 hours or freeze it. First, I weigh 450 grams, which is about a pound of meat. That's how much ground meat I would typically eat in a day. But also, whenever I cook for my family, this is typically the quantity of meat that I use. Then I use pre-cut bags. That it took me a while to figure out because before I was just using rolls, cutting and sealing them. Then I realized you could get bags and all you need is seal it once. A real time saver and game changer. So I put the meat in the bag. flatten it nicely so that there is more storage in the freezer. I remove the air at the back, if there is any, by pressing on the air pocket. Then seal the bag by pressing on the button. This is a bit noisy, but that's okay. Here it is. Now I do all of them. Finally, I use a marker and add on the back what it is and what's the date. Although vacuum-sealed food can last a long time in the freezer, I always try to eat my food within 3 months. So that's basically first in, first out. Now, my bags are ready and go straight to the freezer. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you. And I was wondering, are you considering buying a vacuum sealer now? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and à bientôt mes amis!